Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos with an easy guide. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients you'll need for a fantastic meal. Then, I'll walk you through the simple steps to prepare your flavorful taco fillings, ensuring everything is perfectly cooked. Finally, we'll cover the best ways to assemble and serve your tacos, making sure every bite is enjoyable for everyone at the table. Get ready to create some amazing tacos. To begin your taco adventure, you'll need about 1 pound of ground meat like beef or chicken, which serves 4 to 6 people. Next, prepare your fresh toppings. Think crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a generous amount of shredded cheese. Don't forget about 12 taco shells, whether you prefer soft tortillas or crunchy hard shells. And of course, no taco is complete without your favorite salsa, and a dollop of cool sour cream to enhance the flavors. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your 1 pound of ground meat in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook it until it's completely done, breaking it up as you go. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to keep your tacos lighter and healthier. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and about 1/4 cup of water. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the liquid to reduce and the flavors to meld beautifully. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble. First, warm your taco shells according to the package instructions. This makes them more pliable and enjoyable. Spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoned meat into each shell. Then, pile on your favorite fresh toppings, like the crisp lettuce, diced tomatoes, and shredded cheese. Finish each taco with a generous dollop of your preferred salsa and a swirl of sour cream for that perfect creamy touch. Enjoy your homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.